In this video, I'll guide you through how to create and export an ebook from a brand new document in InDesign step by step. We'll start from opening a fresh document, move through adding and organizing your content, and finish with exporting it as an EPUB file that's ready to share or publish. First, let's create a new document. Open InDesign and go to the File menu at the top, then choose New and then Document. This opens the new document window where you'll decide the basic setup for your ebook. Here you can choose your page size. Common choices are A4, letter, or a completely custom size if you're designing for a specific device or platform. For example, letter is often used for documents that might also be printed, while custom sizes can be helpful if you're targeting tablets or specific screen dimensions. Pick the size that best matches where and how your ebook will be read. Next, set up your margins and columns. Still in the new document window, you'll see controls for margins around the page and the number of columns. Margins help keep text away from the very edges, making your pages cleaner and easier to read. Columns are useful if you want a multi-column layout, similar to a magazine or newsletter. For a straightforward ebook, a single column is usually easiest, but if your design calls for it, you can add more. Once you're happy with the page size, margins, and columns, confirm your settings to create the new documents. Now let's add your content. Select the Type tool from the toolbar on the left. Click and drag on the page to create a text frame, then start typing directly if you're writing inside InDesign. If your text is already written in another document, go to File, then Place. Choose your text file and click Open. Your cursor will load with the text, and you can click on the page to place it. If you have multiple pages of text, you can thread the text frames so it flows from one page to the next. For images, use the same Place command. Go to File, Place, then select your image file and click Open. Click on the page to drop the image in, or click and drag to control its size as you place it. You can move and resize images using the Selection tool, adjusting the layout so that text and images work well together visually. To keep everything consistent and professional, organize your formatting with styles. Open the Paragraph Styles panel and create styles for your main headings, subheadings, body text, and captions. For each style, you can define font, size, spacing, and more. Once the styles are set up, apply them to your text as you go. This ensures your document looks uniform and also helps with navigation and accessibility in the final ebook. Speaking of navigation, you can add it directly inside InDesign. Use the Bookmarks panel to create bookmarks for your main chapters or sections. Highlight the text or frame you want to link and create a bookmark so readers can jump to those parts easily. You can also add hyperlinks for internal navigation, such as linking chapter titles to specific pages, or for external links that open websites when tapped or clicked. When your layout and navigation are ready, it's time to export as an ebook. Go to File, then Export. In the Format options, choose EPUB, and then decide between fixed layout or reflowable. Fixed layout keeps everything in a set position.